Having pimples, blackheads, whiteheads and greasy skin is very common, especially now in summer. It's almost difficult for oily skin because, breakouts and different skin types have different problems. I have normal skin right now. I hardly get any pimples, but yes, due to hot weather and too much humidity, my T-zone becomes oily, which further leads to pimple on my forehead, my nose, my chin especially. I mean, that's the part that gets sweaty. I just hate it. So it's essential to take care of your skin and choose right skincare product according to weather and skin texture. Today I'm going to review Ek Mask Pimple Care Complexion Mask. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing it right. This is basically meant for oily and acne prone skin. I have used it couple of times, maybe 3 times by now, 4 times including for this video. Product comes in this white tube with yellow flip cap, further packaged a yellow colored carton box, and there's this transparent window on it and you can easily see the actual product through the tube. I personally feel that the packaging and Ethical Remedies products are quite attractive. Even the tube and cap used in this packaging seems to be great quality for traveling, of course, and the flip cap shuts tightly. The tube is very easy to use, packaging is sturdy, and yeah, travel friendly, which is always something I look for in my cosmetics. The color of this face pack is beige, almost like a gray to be honest, and the consistency is absolutely perfect. A face pack neither very thick or runny, therefore it glides easily on my face, and because of its natural ingredients, it has this fresh fruity smell, absolutely refreshing and soothing fragrance that lingers for quite some time. I think through entire time, the time you have it on your face, it smells, so it's therapeutic. Claims to provide natural and innovative approach in pimple care and complexion care technology. It absorbs oil, it has genial cleansing base for irritation free cleansing, it provides antibacterial action by tea tree oil, and for improvement in complexion and removing acne marks, this has chandan and turmeric and cucumber, which gives you cooling and soothing feel. Vitamin E, Provit B5 has healing properties. Thrice a week application of this will give you freshness and freedom from oiliness throughout the day and will improve complexion remarkably, giving the glow to your skin. And those are the claims. My experience, I will tell you now. Firstly, I would like to tell you I am extremely impressed by any product, any skincare products from Ethical Remedies. Honestly, I hardly get any acne anymore, but summer is the only season when I have most of my breakouts. Lucky me. This mask contains cucumber, which is considered to reduce inflammation and appearance of acne. Its another key ingredients is aloe vera and sandal, known for natural healing and soothing properties to reduce swelling and redness of your acne. The tea tree oil has all the antifungal properties which further heals the skin. Moreover, vitamin E and turmeric nourishes and brightens your skin within, which all of you Indians know because of those DIY turmeric pack. Don't do that. Use dermatologically tested product. I apply it in a thick layer and keep it for about 10-15 minutes. It gives cooling sensation that relaxes your mind and feels wonderful in this hot weather. It gives you tingling sensation during the application, but it's normal, so don't worry about it. This mask comes out easily, leaving fresh and bright skin. I use this mask 3 days in continuous and then again for today. I also use this Esmed face wash to double the effect, just so you know. After using this mask, it noticeably helped reduce the pain and redness of my pimple. I clean my face and neck first and then apply this evenly all over my face and neck, avoiding the area around my eyes and mouth. I let this dry and let the ingredients penetrate for about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, do all the other things that are good in your life, like hydrate, play with your cat, you know, all those important things in life. The mask immediately dries out. Just starts cracking immediately after 2 minutes of applying. The tingling sensation wasn't unbearable, but just something that you feel. So make a note of it if you have sensitive skin. After about 15 minutes I'll wash it off with water and then I would pat it dry. Retails for 200 rupees and you get 75 gram. I didn't exactly mind the price. I find it affordable just comparing with the other wet mask like this in the market. And I like the size too, because any wet mask like this would dry quickly, and I don't want to keep using the same product for 6 months. I want to try out different masks, different aesthetics, you know, different experience. Face masks are very relaxing and just the whole process is very calming and therapeutic to me, so I prefer to buy smaller sizes of different face masks so I can try out everything. Whenever I am in different mood, I could pick a different product, and that size option you don't get in high-end products. So I really like that thing about this mask. Smaller size. Its shelf life is 36 months, so if you don't open it, you can keep it for 36 months in your house packed. Attractive packaging, pocket friendly, skin feels healthier and brighter, smells good, almost therapeutic for me. Contains tea tree oil, which ensures antibacterial actions against bacteria common to pimple, acne prone skin. It contains aloe vera, which has natural healing and soothing property. It also reduces swelling and redness because of aloe vera. And yeah, it controls oils effectively for the whole day, the day you apply it. Yeah, so that's a good thing. If you're going to, you know, be in event all day, just apply this in the morning before your makeup. It gives cooling effect instantly. Contains vitamin E that nourishes your skin, gives instant fresh and oil-free skin, does not dry out the skin, and it's travel friendly. Alright guys, so that's about it for today's product review video. Definitely go check out all the other products review I'll be mentioning in description box, or probably check out the playlist that is somewhere showing on the screen. Go through my playlist and check if you already own any product that I have reviewed, so you'll have better idea on how to use that product and to, you know, get maximum benefit from that product. So make sure to do that, and I will see you again. See you. Bye. Wait, do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. That's the place where I am continuously posting about my life, about skincare, about fashion, about makeup. So if that's something you are even remotely interested in, maybe check it out. Bye.